What's up, guys? On this week's episode, we go to Solidcore's headquarters in Washington, D.C. to do a year-end review and ramp ourselves up for 2020. We're super active. And then we head to the Smith for the Sabre holiday party. Follow along.
People calling me up saying they need a feature, saying we can help each other, but I see the leeches. Get the credit where it's due, I ain't talking Visa. But since we talking Visa, don't say you won't pay me either. Did you catch that?
We made it, Sean. Union Station, here we are. Now I just need some Starbucks so I can get to F45 and crush a workout. See, that's what happens, people. Different days you're gonna have different agendas, but you still gotta get it in. It's not negotiable. Shout out to my New York boys, the Smith up in DC. It's all intertwined, interconnected, and heading to F45 to get my workout in. When I travel, I like to see different studios and understand how they operate, what's different about them, best practices. It's interesting because obviously when you have both corporate fitness studios and franchise fitness studios, you're gonna have a different operator and experience, clearly a different coach or trainer. And I just like kind of seeing how that goes when I'm traveling. So it turns out I was working out with a trainer, didn't know it, and she kept throwing more weight at me, as she should have. Now that I know she's a trainer, I don't feel as bad, but holy shit, that was a great workout. So just wrapped up our workout, and lots of fast casual options here down in DuPont Circle, so gonna go to one of my favorites, Kava Grill. There's some new stuff down here that I haven't seen, which we should probably check out, but I enjoy the tried and true stuff. This way I know I'm not disappointed, and I'm starving. Been a long day so far. So it's a beautiful morning in Washington, D.C., and we're headed to Solidcore's headquarters to do a recap of the year 2019 and set ourselves up for success for next year, 2020. A little Washington Monument action up there. Boom. So yeah, we have like a 4-hour meeting basically, and we will then run to catch a Acela back to New York. The holidays are upon us, and I have no time to focus on them, unfortunately, but comes with the territory. Everybody have a great day, and let's go. Ready to head to the station, get ourselves back to New York here. Productive meeting. We just did less than 24 hours in DC. Walking back into Union Station. Time to get back to New York. What's up, guys? We are at the Smith in Nomad, walking into the Sabre Holiday Party 2019. Let's get out of the cold.